Hello everyone, this is Ahalya Devi Adapa, studying in Kavya Institute of Technology and Sciences. My registration number is URK20CS302. Here is my experimental record work 2 of IoT. Now let's see the question. Here is the question. How to connect temperature sensor and blink LED red for 200 and 300 amperes and green for other temperatures. Now let's jump into the workplace. This is the workplace. Here I have already placed the components and made the connections. Now let's see the components. This is Arduino board, temperature sensor, LEDs, resistor taken to 220 ohms. Now let's see how connections are made. The temperature sensor has 3 ends. One is power point, analog, ground. Connect the ground pin to ground of Arduino. Then analog pin. I have connected the A0 pin to the analog pin. Then power. I have connected 5 volts of power to it. Now LED. An LED has 2 ends. One is cathode and the other one is anode. Cathode is connected to ground of Arduino. Anode is connected to one end of the resistor. The other end of the resistor to digital pin 8 of Arduino. Then for green LED, I have connected the cathode end to ground. The other end, anode to one end of the resistor. The other end of the resistor to 7th digital pin of Arduino. This is the connection that I made. Now let's see the coding part. This is the code. The coding part has two functions. One is setup function, the other one is loop function. In setup function, initialization of variables, digital pins and lock pins takes place. And in loop function, for continuous blinking of LED, we need to continue the process for a number of times. So we use loop function here. As the condition is to blink red LED for 200 to 300 degrees temperature and green for other degree temperatures. The condition is written in the loop for continuous blinking of LED. This is the code I have written here. Now for monitoring the temperatures, click on serial monitor. Now let's start simulation and observe the blinking of LED. Here the temperature is 153 degrees. So red LED was blinking. Now let's change the temperature and observe. I have made the temperature to 315 degrees. So the green LED was blinking. Thank you.